morning guys. Join kami ni Mika ngayon sa Mekong Day Tour. Kinuha namin sa Kluk. Day 5 namin ngayon in Vietnam.
We have about 170 kilometers, including 10 kilometers in the water. And we're walking and something else. By the way, my name is Tang, T-A-A-N-G. You also can call me Winnie. Winnie the Pooh, you know that character. 7% is Gauda in Vietnamese religion. And the rest is non-religion, or we have a small part of Hindu and Muslim. In Vietnam, we have total 16 religion and Catholic. Yeah, so tomorrow is Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys.
Nag-stop muna tong bus namin para sa toilet break. 15 minutes. Pero hindi na ako bumaba. Si Mika bumaba. Pero ako hindi na. Kasi hindi naman ako naiihit. At saka ang init sa labas. Okay na ako dito.
When you go to basic inside, I think today is a little bit crowded. So here on the left side, you see the smile Buddha on the left side.
Papasok kami dyan sa Buddhist temple. Yan ang first stop.
Later you're going to see the lying statue on that way also. This beautiful place to take a picture.
That's the laughing Buddha. Ayan. Tapos ayan may lotus oh. We are inside a Buddhist temple. Tingnan nyo itong sa likod ko. Ganda oh. Laughing Buddha. Tapos nandun naman si Sleeping Buddha. Ayun, there. There's the Sleeping Buddha. Going back to the bus na ako. Kami ni Mika. Kasi 30 minutes lang yung binigay na time dito. Meron silang mga souvenirs dito sa tabi ng temple. Gaganda ng salakot. Gusto kong bumili ng salakot. Kaya lang ang hirap iuwi ah. Nahanap na namin yung bus namin. Tapos bago kami nagpunta sa bus, bumili muna ako nito oh. For 50,000 dong. Ang ganda, ang mura. Wala pang 150 pesos. Kaya lang hindi ko alam kung maiuwi ko pa to sa atin. Paano ko to iuwi? Ito na yung bus namin. Sasakay na kami. We are now in the area ng Mekong Delta. Hinihintay lang namin yung tour guide. Kukunin na raw niya yung tickets namin. Ito yata yung sasakay na kami ng boat dito. Ito kami sasakay. Mekong Delta River. Mekong River Cruise. We are here na sa Mekong River. Ayan, sasakay na kami. Yung hangin dito sa Vietnam, medyo malamig. Mainit ang araw pero malamig ang hangin. Daming turista. Yan ang sasakyan namin. Be careful ha.
Welcome to Mekong Delta. And over here, can you swim? Can you swim? Can you swim?
No.
If you swim this way, about 60 kilometers, you go to the ocean. Just 60. If you swim this way, about 170 kilometers, you go to the Cambodia. And over here, we have total 4 islands. Over there, the one we're going to visit, that's the Unicorn Island. Later, I will show you the Phoenix and the Turtle Island. This is a symbol of intelligence, and turtle is long life. And this is the whole legendary animal in Vietnam. Yes. More than 1 million crocodiles live in this area. More than 1 million. In Vietnam, it's also legal for people to have crocodile farm. So around here, we have some crocodile farm. Later, I will show you some crocodile. And if you want, you can jump down and swim with them. Right? No problem.
From that bangka, eto na kami ngayon sa bee something. Bee farm ba to?
Okay, take a look. This is the bee nest. Bee nest. One box like this have about 30,000 to 50,000 bee, and 99.99% of them is a female, and they are worker. And they only can live 30 days, but only their living day that they have to make honey, and they make rose jelly is the food for the queen. And in this box, only one queen, and the queen can make about 1,000 eggs per day.
Honey tasting area pa pala to. Hindi pala to restaurant para ipaglalansya namin. Ito lang yung honey tasting place.
This year was the first time in 50 years. Every year they have like a bee grow, honey grower.
Masarap ang honey nila.
1,000 people a year do it.
Ang benefits ng non-royal jelly.
Not a snake. So later, this is my challenge. So do it, and I will give you a gift. Secret. But you wanna like that gift. You wanna like that gift.
Oh my God, look at that, oh. Ang tapang ng lady, oh. She's so matapang. Pero ako, naku, wag na. No, I don't like.
Okay.
Ang bigat pala ng python. Pero, at least kinaya ko. Ito may mga tindahan ng mga buko-buko. Tsaka may mga souvenir shop. Souvenir shop. Ang gaganda ng bags. Kaya lang pag naiisip ko, hindi ko naman ginagamit. Pagdating na sa Manila, wala na. Tapos dito sa kabila may mga tinda. Parang maliit na market. Na hindi wet market, dry market. Nakaya kong ilagay yung ahas sa leeg ko. My God, it's so heavy. Pero at least kinaya. Python. Hindi naman daw dangerous ang python. More souvenir items dito sa lugar na to. Ganda, oh. Ganda ng bag. May entertainment pa sila dito, oh. Ayan. May entertainment. Mukhang dito na kami kakain. Yung lunch namin.
Have a kiss. That's the fruit. Chop the fruit for you all, and enjoy the fruit and enjoy the music. Okay?
Fruit tasting pala. Where's the dragon fruit? May tinuturo siya. Tingnan mo kung nasan yun. After fruit tasting, eto naman kami ngayon ulit naglalakad. Ewan namin kung anong susunod. Saklok tong activity na to. 1,300 per person. Ang ganda ng orchids, oh. Ganito business ng mga pamilya dito. Pinagkakakitaan nila. Ang ganda.
Chocolate.
Oh, that is a cocoa tree. Cocoa tree.
Oh guys, and they don't have water inside, but they have this. The meat. It's very delicious. Alright guys, come. People wanna ride you guys down about 2 kilometers.
You can just look here na lang, anak, because it will be here.
Plain and board. Ito po. Gusto niyo po ng hat?
Oh. Pero actually, diba, it's really the longest. Is it the longest? Oh my God! Oh my God. Woo! Woo! We are now here sa Mekong River. Kaya pala sabi, huwag mo ilalagay yung kamay mo sa side kasi delikado, tumatama eh. Doon sa kasalubong. Fun activity talaga. Be careful baka mahulog yung cellphone mo.
river is vital in the development of the river. Those living along the river can rely on this water for cooking, irrigation, and sanitizing. Additionally, it serves as a transportation and trading route for many. The locals' primary protein intake also comes from the river's fish.
Yeah, tapos na. We have to go down now. Go down now.
Yeah, go down.
We're done here sa Mekong River Cruise. Babalik na kami, sasakay ulit kami doon sa sinakyan namin papunta dito. Mukhang ang lunch is doon sa yung unang mas malapit na binabaan namin, not here. Riding again this one. Ayan, riding again this one para makabalik doon. Yeah.
It's gonna have a lot of trees. About 50 minutes driving by this boat. Now we can head this way to another places, and then we will have lunch. Okay? About maybe 1:45.
So next stop namin is lunch na. Next stop, lunch.
Yeah, 1 year they go 3 times, and it's very costly. You know.
Thank you.
This is snake wine. Snake wine. So you know, because the Vietnamese people, we are farmer, and when the farmer do the farm work, they have to bend down, so they need to get back, get hurt. So we put ginseng. You know ginseng? Yeah. Ginseng and snake together, and snake and rice wine. And we leave it there about 3 to 6 months. After that, we drink. It's good for back, it's good for bone.
To get back dun sa pinanggalingan namin, kailangan naming sumakay ulit sa ganyan. Ang dami namin nasakyang bangka ngayong araw na to. Now, it's lunchtime na. Tapos na yata activity, yun na yung last. Ito na yung pang-final, yung lunch. Lunch. Oh, mabilisan ang lunch natin. Look at the fish, oh. Wow. Lunch namin. Ganyan pala ang elephant fish, ano? Ayan ang aftermath ng aming kinain. Ang table namin, lahat Filipinos. Look at this. Wow.
It's alive, okay? It's not a fake one. Over and have more. So I already told you that we are in Vietnam, we legal to have a crocodile farm, okay? It's legal for us. Okay. Oh, this is catfish. This is catfish, okay?
Catfish.
Okay.
Anak, you try. Go. Done na ang tour namin sa Mekong River. Kaya tapos na rin ang lunch. Kaya babalik na kami sa Ho Chi Minh. Baka magbaba na lang kami ni Mika sa Bentan. Doon na kami bababa para mag-iikot kami ngayon doon. Baka lang. Kasi yung unang punta namin doon, wala pa kaming 30 minutes. Bumili lang kami ng tela ni Senyora.
people make the coconut candy.
See?
And of course, before they collect the coconut, they have to dry it, leave it here dry for a few days. Take a look. So they just he do it slowly for you guys to easy to see. But if professional, they only need like 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Kaya po, no?
So after you take the shell, you have to cut it and collect the water, and also now he's gonna cut the meat. So we're gonna collect the meat inside. Yeah, this is what they have after the cut. Use the knife to cut.
Okay.
And look at the machine. Over here. By hand. Take a look. See, this is coconut milk, okay? Coconut milk. Want a ring? Anyone want a ring? Want to ring it? Come over here. So they collect the coconut milk and water that they want to mix everything with some flavor, and they have many flavor like cocoa flavor, coffee, pandan leaf, or durian, or peanut. And after that, they're going to put it inside the machine and they cook for 3 hours. Before no machine, they have to use hand. You won't touch it; it's too hot. Now it's because it's hot; it's still very soft, and they want to put it here for like more 30 minutes. To make it hot. After they have enough, you see the line, you see this? You're gonna use this knife to cut it pieces, small pieces like this. And here, paper, okay?
Candy making, coconut candy making.
Coconut candy with the pandan leaf. And take a look at what she's doing. It's very fast, like 2 seconds. Right, wanna try? Okay. This one is a hot one. Try it, guys. It's a hot one. Alright, pass this. Try it. Here. Take a look. This is more flavor. Normally people love the coffee one. This is a coffee flavor. Durian. Cocoa tree, this is a pure coconut candy. This one with peanut and pandan leaf. Also here, this is the young coconut. Young coconut is a little bit better, but it's difficult to collect them.
Sasakay na naman kami dyan. Ayan. Last bus na and then go back to Ho Chi Minh. 2 hours and 45 minutes drive. Sasakay na kami doon para babalik na kami sa Ho Chi Minh. Iba-drink pa kami. Going back to the bus parking para makabalik na kami sa Ho Chi Minh. This activity, guys, is highly recommended. Napakasulit, ang sarap ng lunch, masarap yung food na pin-repair, masarap ang Vietnamese food, tapos meron pa silang welcome drink, tapos meron pag uwi namin, meron pa kaming buko juice. Fresh coconut juice. For 1,300 pesos each lang. Magandang experience. By the way, guys, in fairness ang lakas ng eSIM ng Klook. Hanggang sa kalagitnaan ng dagat nakakapag-wifi ako. Okay din pala yung eSIM sa Klook. Buti na lang tinuro sa akin ni Senyora. natutunan ko siyang gamitin. Hindi na kailangan yung mga pocket wifi. Okay na yung eSIM. Ayan yung drink namin, no? Pauwi. Yung eSIM, guys, napakaganda yung sa Klook na kinuha ko. 400 something lang siya. Napakalakas. Tingnan mo, nasa gitna ako ng dagat, nakakapag-wifi ako. Ayan, ano na siya, magdadak na siya. So na, going to the bus. Dito kami kakain ni Mika ngayon. Oh. Nag-order lang kami ng spring rolls, tapos fried noodles with beef, tapos strawberry shake si Mika, tsaka ako iced coconut. Na-try lang namin makakain sa Bentan. Mukhang okay naman. Uupo lang kami dyan, no? Ayan. We're here in Bentan. Dito kami kakain ni Mika. Nag-order lang kami ng spring rolls, ng noodles, at saka ng iced coconut, tsaka ng strawberry shake. Itong kakainin namin ni Mika, oh. Nilagyan lang ng ang daming paminta. Ayoko pa naman ng maraming paminta. Ayan. Fried noodles, spring rolls, coconut drink, at saka yung strawberry juice ni Mika, pero hindi naman color strawberry. Tingnan natin kung masarap. Nandito kami sa Bentan Market. Dito kami nagdi-dinner. First time namin try yung food nila. Okay naman. Mura to. Wala pang 300 pesos lahat na.